Where to build a website. Simple and quality. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I've been doing websites for over 10 years, and what I'm about to share with you is the experience I've been having. So there's a lot of ways you can create websites. Most of them are time consuming, and there's a lot technical stuff into it. My recommendation to you that I'm going to be sharing with you is simplicity and effectiveness. And so I'm going to show you a product that I use, been using for now almost 2 years. It is my go-to website builder, and this is the one I really recommend because it's drag and drop. You literally have the SSL activated, which is HTTPS, so your site is secure on any browser. They have amazing fast servers. It's very easy to build websites. They literally have thousands of templates where you can literally just edit them, move things around, put your images, your contact, and you have a professional website ready to go. Now, I recommend this system because it's all in one. You don't have to care about hosting, you don't have to care about coding, you don't have to care about design. It's drag and drop, pixel perfect. So you build everything like you would like to see on a computer, and then it will literally automatically, responsively adjust the mobile version. Is this making sense? If it's making sense, comment below hell yeah. So the tool that I recommend for you to build a website, it's called Builderall. And I'm gonna go and jump on my computer and just show you how easy it is for you to build a website with this tool. I'm also gonna leave below this video a link for a 7-day free trial of Builderall, and you can test the tool for yourself for 7 days. I'll also leave a link below so you can see their plans. All right, here on my computer, once you go ahead and click the link for the 7-day free trial, you'll come to Builderall, which is the dashboard here, and you literally can customize your back office, so you can add the tools here. The tool you want to add right away, which is the one I'm going to cover, and which is the one you build the websites, is the Pixel Perfect Builder. You want to click on it, enter. Now here is the page where it lists all your websites, and as you can see, I have many websites. Just let me go over here real quick a few things that they have here. Here is once you publish your website, it's going to have a name. So here on the 3 dots, you can connect your own domain, or you can use the one that comes with Builderall. Here is you publish or unpublish the website. Here is where you share the website. You can actually share with somebody so they can have for themselves. Here you can transfer to another account for Builderall. Here you can create professional emails, for example, your name at yourdomain.com, and here you can duplicate the website. Now, for you to build a website, you would go here to New Website. Now here at the left, you have this, which is blank page, and you can start from scratch and build your website. Now, there's thousands of templates where they have here. Let me just give you a quick example. So, there's sales pages, local businesses, websites, blogs, express sites. Okay, so what do? Here, I'm gonna just select anyone. So let's go for free ebook express. Let me go to, and just to give you an example, I'm just gonna pick anyone for now. So what do you want to do? First of all, you can view and see the website, see if you like it. And so this is the website. You can see how it is. And by the way, this is, like I said, this works amazing on mobile and all devices. So this is the website. Let's say I like the website. I would just literally come here, edit. All right, here is the website. So literally you just double tap and you type anything you want. Hello, my name is Fábio. So you just literally type as you go on the website, and you can change here the menu. You right click on it, edit menu items, and you literally just click on it. You can change the names of the menu the image, you just right click on it, change image. So it's very easy to use, very effective, and you don't need no skills. It's just drag and drop. You can move things around. You can see, let me move. You can see, you can move, you can add layers, just anything you can think of. Here on the menu, you can go to plus and you have everything that you would want: pop-ups, gallery, audio, social, form, email marketing form, which is pretty good. They also give you the ability to collect emails and all that good stuff. It's very oriented for visitors. So a normal website, you normally lose people right away. As within Builderwall, they have a system where you can connect email, and so that you can collect people's emails and then you can then email them later on. So that's it. Once the website, you edit everything, you go here save, and the website will be live. Now let me go here to my website. I have many websites. This is my main website. Very simple. I'm a minimalist, and as you can see, I want to show you here. This is my website, fabiourique.com. As you can see here, when I click this right here, which is the security, most websites are insecure, meaning it will literally tell this site is not secure. Now with Builderwall, because they have the SSL integrated, your websites will be safe. Your connection is safe, so it shows a lock inside. Believe it or not, this will make your visitor look at your website and see this guy's legit. Literally. Because on the internet, when you have pop-ups saying that your website may have virus on that kind of stuff, people get pissed off. Yeah, that's what the tool I really recommend, the one I've been using and love it. It's very straightforward. Back in the day, I used to spend weeks and even months to build a very good website. Now with this tool, I in a few hours on a day I complete a website from scratch. So yeah, that's my #1 recommendation. Hope that helps you. Did you like this? If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe. If you know somebody that will benefit from this content, please share with them. Have you heard of Builderwall? If that is a yes, here on top say yes. If it's a no, also say. Below the video I have a 7-day free trial, so you can go ahead and test Builderwall out. Thanks for watching. It was nice having you. I will see you on the next video. Cheers!